Hi guys. Right, chicken stock. It's a little bit subjective, but yeah, you have a chicken carcass and some wings. This is from the butchery demo. You don't want to throw them away. They are the best bits of flavour that you can possibly make chicken stock from. So you want to pop those in the oven and roast them. Also, from a couple of other recipes that I've done on here. This is from the chicken and red wine stew. So these are the carrots that went in there. We don't want to waste the skins, so let's keep the skins. Pop them in a bowl. Again with the shallots or onions, let's just keep the skins. Weird as it may sound, but we're going to pop the skins in a bowl and just keep them. No waste. Not one little bit of waste. That's the key to all of this. Okay, so I'm going to speed this up a little bit. So yeah, so these are the onions. If you've seen the chicken and red wine stew video, these are the shallots that go into the marinade and into the actual stew itself. But we're gonna just keep all of the little ends and the tops and the tails and all the skins, and they're gonna add a real depth of flavour to this stock. So we're gonna keep all the tops of the carrots as well. All of the tops and the tails. All of the bits that you would normally put in the bin, don't put in the bin, pop them in a little bowl, like I'm doing here, and just don't waste anything. Celery. I had quite a bit of celery, as you can see. As you can see from the celery that goes into that stew, but we're going to keep the end bits. So I've roasted the carcass and the wings. I'm just going to pop them into a really deep saucepan, stock pan. In this case, it's a pressure cooker. I think a pressure cooker makes a really good stock. So if you've got one, use it. Probably not many things it gets used for. So we're going to pop all the offcuts in there. You can see all the skins and all of the offcuts. Then we're just going to cover it with cold water, just enough so it covers. You can see a little bit of some herbs in there as well that were needed using some time. I think it is. I'm going to pop the lid on. In this case, the pressure cooker. Cook it for 30 minutes. Once it gets up to pressure, then it looks like this. My goodness, what a good chicken stock. Really tasty. Loads of umami. Fantastic flavour. Great for anything. Soups, stews, the lot. I'm going to pass that through a fine sieve and then it's done. Enjoy.